Hi. Among the numerous scientific debates, I find myself wondering about the evolution debate. The main question is how new species are formed, and the theory of evolution states that a random sequence of events split a single species into two descendant species. You may conclude from that we individuals are changing phenotypes uncontrollably and with no direction? Or is there a direction? Is there an ideal phenotype? The answer is no. We're going to talk about three forces of evolution this time: founder effect, bottleneck effect, and gene flow. And they all describe the same phenomenon, which is that it is not necessarily that the most talented will survive. If it's not favorable for the talented in such and such community to survive, the talented will disappear. And the main difference between founder effect and bottleneck effect from gene flow is that the first group, founder and bottleneck, is when one population within a larger one will start a new population. And gene flow is when two populations are involved and both of them transformed wholesale to a new species. So let's talk about hypothetical events. First of all, for gene flow. So let's suppose that a piece of land divides water from water. Population 1 and 2 from the same species inhabit opposite sides. And there's an opening in that land connecting to the two populations, so they interbreed. But 100 years later, for some reason, that land closes this connection, so they stop interbreeding. In this case, the two populations probably transformed wholesale, and the question here is which one will be the most talented population, which one has the best traits, the best phenotypes. Hypothetical event 2, the founder effect. So let's say that one population of black cows and white cows, a single population. This population has found a new location, so some of the cows, they decide to spy on the competition and the land surrounding, so they can get a little bit of an idea of what they are stepping into. Probably the strongest. In some species, the male may do that. So in the way, they may get lost, this population of the strongest one. So what they do, they start procreating, and they found a new population. They will look different from the larger population. Hypothetical event 3, bottleneck effect. A major disaster has happened and only a handful survive. This group that survived by lucky chance, maybe because they were in the right place at the right time, and probably the very talented, or most likely because there aren't many individuals that are very talented. They probably died because, well, to die, you just got to be alive. And that's it. Thank you for watching.